Aluminum cans are endlessly recyclable, but there are treatments to the cans that we see out in the marketplace, like plastic sleeves and sticker labels, that if not removed, those end up in the garbage, and they're not recycled. Digital printing is the newest technology in labeling beverage cans, and also a more sustainable option because the cans are fully recyclable without having to remove any type of label or sticker. 60 to 80% of a can that comes into my facility has already been recycled at least once. Really, we want to see 100% recycling of aluminum cans because then we can just continue that cycle and that stream on our own. We started Craft Beverage Warehouse in 2020 as a pandemic response. Things happened in the world that broke the supply chain for packaging materials, and I was in charge of doing that for a brewery. I had a problem with craft brewery packaging procurement, and I wanted one vendor to make my life easier, so that's what we set out to do.
Craft Beverage Warehouse provides direct-to-can digital printing for your small to medium-sized breweries. We also offer a lot of different product packaging, so case trays, ends, pack techs.
Our goal is to be a one-stop shop.
CBW has a term that we say in our business, and it's quality cans, quality people. When we built this business, those are the two core values that we really stood by. We hire the best in the industry as far as graphic designers. Our team is extremely, extremely talented. We have a full pre-press team in-house that is able to take your design from an idea and bring it to life on a can, and they do a really good job. We are doing quality control testing on the samples that are coming out to make sure adhesion is good. We're doing color matching. We actually hold a physical sample on a wall that allows for our production team to see the can that they approved to make sure that the cans are apples to apples when they're coming off the line. We put a lot of policy procedures in place to really make sure that our customer is happy with the end result.
So for us, it's important that our customers can get an owner on the phone, because we can get things done very quickly. We are a small team, but if there is a problem, we want to be aware of it and we want to get it solved very quickly.
So I received a phone call at about 11:30 at night on the business line. I was still up working, so I took the call. It ended up being a customer of ours who ended up finding out that they couldn't use a certain label on their can that they had, and the run was actually running. And we called and stopped it, saved them from running 32,000 bad cans, and allowed them the ability to adjust artwork. I don't think there's a lot of manufacturing businesses that are able to move that quickly and be versatile.
We give a shit about what goes out the back door because we know it really matters to your business. If you have a question during any step of the process or you have an issue, we want to take care of you immediately. We're opening a production facility in Denver, Colorado, and we're incredibly excited about it.
We already had a lot of customers in that area, and by us opening a new facility out there, we're giving them the cost benefit of the logistics side of it.
Whether we're fulfilling out of our Milwaukee location or out of our Denver location, our customers are going to get the same level of service, but in a lot of cases, that freight bill is going to go down because we're going to be a lot closer to you. So really, it's a win-win for everybody. We're able to service more customers, and then also a lot of the customers that we're dealing with across the country are going to have a much more affordable option. I just want every customer that we've worked with to say that they would refer us to their network, to their best friend, to somebody that trusts them. If somebody calls, I want them to say, call Kyle and Mike at Craft Beverage Warehouse. You're not gonna wait 2 days for a phone call. You're gonna likely get it that same day. We're not gonna call you and tell you your order is gonna be delivered 6 weeks after we originally told you. We're gonna get it done, we're gonna find a way to get it done, and we're gonna communicate with you throughout the process.